Hello, my dear golden friends. Let me ask you something from the heart. Have you ever wondered, when the time comes, will my wishes be respected? Will my family know what I truly wanted? These thoughts aren't always easy, but they are important, because at the end of our journey, we all deserve peace, dignity, and the comfort of knowing our wishes will be honored. So today, in our circle of wisdom, we will take this journey together, step by step. We're going to talk about how to make sure your final wishes are respected clearly, gently, and in a way that protects you and brings peace to your loved ones. Now, let's begin. Why do final wishes matter? My friends, planning for the end of life is not about fear. It's about love. Love for yourself, because you deserve dignity. Love for your family, because you want to spare them confusion and conflict. Too many families are left in pain asking, what would mom have wanted? What would dad have wanted? That's why we need to speak now, write it down now, and make sure there's no question later. It's not about death. It's about life and about leaving a legacy of peace. Why writing your wishes down is the power of a will. My golden friends, the first and most important step is a will. A will is simply your written voice after you're gone. It tells people what you wanted for your property, your home, your savings, even small treasures like your wedding ring or photo albums. Without a will, the state decides. Yes, the government steps in, and they may not decide the way you would have wished. A will doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, there are simple will kits, affordable attorneys, and even community services that help seniors write one. Remember this, if it's not written, it's just a hope. But if it's written, it becomes a law. Now, let's talk about something just as important, your healthcare wishes. Imagine you're in the hospital and can't speak. Who will make the decisions for you? Will they know what you truly wanted? This is where an advance directive or a living will comes in. It's a simple document that says, I want this type of care, but I don't want that type. For example, some people want every possible treatment, no matter what. Others say, if I can't recover, I just want comfort and peace. Neither answer is wrong. What matters is that it's your choice, and it's written down. My dear friends, sometimes we need a trusted person to speak for us. This is where the power of attorney comes in. This legal paper gives someone the right to make decisions on your behalf. If you can't, it could be your spouse, your daughter, your son, or a close friend. But here's the key, it must be someone you deeply trust, someone who will honor your wishes even if others disagree. My friends, paperwork alone is not enough. You need a conversation. Gather your family. Sit down at the table. Tell them with love, this is what I want. Please respect it. Sometimes children resist. They say, oh mom, don't talk like that. But you must. Because if not now, then when? One gentle way to start is by saying, I want to make things easier for you someday. That's why I need to share my wishes. Now let's talk about your celebration of life. Yes, I call it that, because a funeral is not just about death. It's about remembering the beauty of your life. Do you want a simple service? Do you want music? Do you want a church ceremony or a gathering at the park? Write it down. Tell someone. You might even pre-plan your funeral arrangements with a funeral home. That way, your family doesn't have to make decisions while grieving. Money is often the root of family conflict. That's why being clear now is a gift to your loved ones. Set up your will. Consider a trust if your estate is larger. Make sure your bank accounts have the right beneficiaries listed. And always keep your documents in a safe place. Tell your family where they are. My golden friends, your legacy is not just money. It's your wisdom, your stories, your love. Write letters to your children or grandchildren. Record your voice telling family stories. Pass down recipes, photo albums, little treasures. Because when you're gone, your love lives on through these gifts. Sometimes families argue. One child wants one thing, another disagrees. But when your wishes are written, signed, and clear, there's no debate. The law speaks for you, and if there's ever doubt, the best protection is to have a lawyer witness your papers. That way, no one can question them later. My friends, planning your final wishes is not about death. It's about life. It's about peace of mind. When you know your wishes are clear, you can rest easy. You can laugh, Dance and enjoy each moment today. So here's your gentle challenge. Write your will. Complete your healthcare directive. Choose your power of attorney. Talk with your family. Do this. And your final wishes will not only be respected, they will be honored with love. Thank you for spending this time together. If this message gave you comfort, please give this video a like so other seniors can find it too. And if you haven't yet, join our family by subscribing. We walk this journey together, sharing wisdom and support. And if you know someone who needs to hear this, share it with them today.